Hey everybody, this is Elijah with Wildest River Fishing in Oregon, and today we're going to do an unboxing, and this is going to be like a highlight. I want to start highlighting veteran-friendly fishing businesses. Basically, there's a lot of companies that offer military discount to active service members or disabled veterans or veterans in general, and I really like to support those businesses if I can. But so today we've got Pacific Coast Outdoors, and they provide this really cool steelhead jig kit that I think you're gonna really dig. And so I'm gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna show you what's in this pack. It's called the Sol Duc kit. And if anybody knows what the Sol Duc is, you'll know why this would be a great steelhead pack. But stick around, I'm gonna unbox this. I'm gonna show you their products, kind of highlight this company. Just give them a shout out and say thank you for providing good products. And then just encourage you to support these businesses that support the veteran and military community. So stay tuned, let's do an unboxing. Okay, let's cut this bad boy open. There should be 2 kits in here. All right, let's see what they look like. We're gonna talk through these kits and see if it's something that you might be interested in buying yourself. Okay, now this actually catches me by surprise. So this is called the Sol Duc kit, okay? Let's just give you a quick overview of this. It's upside down, huh? No, that's right. Okay, Pacific Coast Outdoors. It first comes in a very nice hard case. A lot of these hard cases you buy when you buy kits are crap. This is a very solid hard case. I actually love this case, so I'm going to use this many times. Wow, it comes with hooks. One thing that caught me off guard is I thought these were going to come with soft beads. So I've bought a kit before. I went through it before, and they have changed this kit. They used to carry a lot of hard beads, worms, jigs, and weights. But now it looks like what they've done, oh, there is soft beads. Oh, weird. This is a little bit random. Okay, I'm not disappointed, but it's different. So one of the kits came with soft beads, large soft beads. This is actually what I wanted because I have a lot of hard beads. Look at these. Okay, 2 different colors. Nice, nice. And they have holes in them. But what does the kit come with? First of all, it comes with 2 floats, 2 half-ounce floats, and that's the perfect weight for the type of fishing I do. So it looks like those are good high-quality floats. I'm digging those. Comes with bobber stops, comes with beads for your bobber stops, okay? Now you have options. You got your weights. Looks like a variety of weights, from all the way from 5/8, half-ounce, and 3/8 weights. So plenty of custom-made weights like that. And then you've got lots of good quality worms. Wow. I'm actually very impressed with the variety in this kit. You've got jig heads. Let's see, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 jig heads. We got purple, pink, and black. So there you go for your worms. Then you've got those soft beads, like I said. It looks like you've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So you got about 22 soft beads, and they're all pretty big in size. Okay. And all these jigs, two containers of jigs. So you got, what we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus another 6 probably. You got 6 nightmare jigs, different sizes. And 6 of these other pink and peach jigs. So it's 12 jigs. So altogether, 2 float setups, extra weights, beads, jigs, and worms. That's actually a very good setup. 3 different very popular methods for steelhead fishing, all in one kit, and I can't believe it. They even threw in bead hooks, so that kind of shocks me. This kit is more complete than what it used to be. This kit retails at $60 from them, which that's a fair price, but if you reach out to them, you can get a military discount. Now, one thing that throws me off is I wanted all soft beads. I've got another full complete kit, but funny thing is, they sent hard beads on this kit, which I wasn't expecting. One thing that's nice though, is their old kits had, these look like 12 millimeter beads that I have way too many of. But the new kit looks like they have 14 millimeter beads. So that is a little bit different, so I do have a variety. But look at this. How much steelhead fishing do you think I can do with 2 kits, right? And really, with your discount, that's about $100. You're going to be set for a long time. Let's get a view in the back here. See? That is a kit. That is a true kit. I'm also going to do probably a follow-up video that shows what steelhead rods I carry and how to tie them up. But anyways, I'm going to change this angle real quick. Okay, so just a quick first take and review of the Steelhead Sol Duc kit from Pacific Coast Outdoors. This is a company out of Washington State. Some of the best steelhead rivers in America, aside from Alaska, are in northern Washington, and that's where the Sol Duc is, okay? If you don't know what that is, like up in the Olympic Peninsula area, there's several very famous steelhead rivers that have some of the largest native steelhead that you can find in the United States aside from Alaska. The Sol Duc is one of those popular rivers. I only know about it because the Fallen Outdoors is a veterans organization, and one year I won this trip and I got to go up there and fish. I caught I caught a hatchery steelhead in, I think it was hatchery, in the Sol Duc River, and it was an amazing experience. So, but what I'm just saying is this kit is awesome. Probably if you order this kit, I would make sure to clarify whether or not you want soft beads or hard beads. It's advertised with having soft beads. Now, he sent me hard beads in one of the kits. I can't say I'm upset about that. I probably would have rather had soft beads, but it is what it is. I mean, come on. So anyways, Pacific Coast Outdoors, go check them out. They support veterans and they give you a good discount. One disclaimer, they do say on their website that if you purchase a large order, it could take 3 to 5 days to process. I guess what you'd consider this is a large order. I guess if you're a small shop and you have to hand make all this stuff, that would be a large order. But it took close to 3 weeks for them to get shipped from when I ordered them. And during steelhead season, that's big for us, right? Like, steelhead season's not huge. We don't have a ton of time. So just be aware that if you order from them, be patient. Know that they're not gonna get there the next day. You're not shopping on Amazon. Give them a little bit of time and understanding, but overall, I'm excited to try these out. So go check them out. Veteran supporting business. Get your steelhead gear. Pacific Coast Outdoors. Thanks for watching. Pretty soon, I'll have a video on how to tie up so you can go catch your steelhead. Take care.